Hello friends, welcome to Shalom Cuisine. Today I am going to make 6 types of fruit shakes. They are really tasty and refreshing. So let's check what the recipes are. First I will make mango milkshake. For that I will require 1 cup mangoes, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, some ice cubes, and now blend it. Now I will add half cup milk, and blend it again. Now again we will add half cup milk. And blend it again. Now our first milkshake, that is mango milkshake, is ready, and we will transfer it to a glass. Now I will make chocolate banana milkshake. For that I will require 1 cup banana, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, half cup milk, and blend it. Now add half cup milk and 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream. And blend it again. Now our chocolate banana milkshake is prepared, and we will transfer it to a glass. Here our chocolate banana milkshake is ready. Now I will make our third milkshake, that is known as apple milkshake. Here we will require 1 cup apple, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, half cup milk, and blend it well. Now add milk, half cup milk, and 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. And blend it again. Now our third milkshake, that is apple milkshake, is ready. If you want, you can also add cardamom powder, but here I am not adding. Now I am making third milkshake, that is known as Chiku Milkshake. For that we will require 1 cup Chiku, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, and half cup milk and blend it well. Now add half cup milk and 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. And blend it again. Here our third milkshake, that is Chiku Milkshake, is ready, and we will transfer it to a bowl, glass. Now I will make a fifth milkshake, that is known as Muskmelon Milkshake. For that I will require 1 cup muskmelon, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, half cup milk, and blend it well. Now we will add ice cubes. Here I am adding 5 to 6 ice cubes and blend it again. Here our fifth milkshake is also ready. Now I will make 6th milkshake, that is papaya milkshake. For that we will take 1 cup papaya, 1 tablespoon sugar powder, some ice cubes, and half cup milk, and blend it well. Now I will add our 1 scoop vanilla ice cream, and blend it again. Now our 6th milkshake is also ready. Now our milkshakes are ready, and I will garnish it with choco chips. Tutti Frutti. And dry fruits. Now our milkshakes are ready. They are looking really yummy. Friends, it is an important tip that when you make these milkshakes, you should have them immediately or else they will lose their taste. If you like my recipe, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.